What's up? Today we're going to be installing KTM's keyless gas cap on my 2021 KTM 890 Duke R. Let's get it started. First off, we just need to remove these 7 hex bolts. I just like loosen them up and then I'll just take my trusty gun. And here's where I'm pretty sure we're going to need the key. And that's the removal. So let's grab the new cap. As you can see, it's already got a seal for it, the gasket. Let's get this on. Now we want to line up the holes and put the bolts in. And there's a total of 7 of them. I just put them all in. That way I'm able to just hold the cap down and run them down. Get them started. I just snug them down, crisscross, of course. Then I'll just take my ratchet and I'll crisscross pattern to snug them down. And then I'll go back and then don't over tighten them, just and there you have it. Keyless gas cap installed.